Hello everyone, let me introduce your latest model from iShop, X024T5. Let's open up the box to see what's in there. Firstly, you will see a user manual, screw sticker, accessory screws, and the camera itself. Let's remove it out from the protection bag. This model comes with 2.8mm lens with IR LED lights and PIR sensor to detect human beings and animals. And also we have a microphone in the front. When we turn it around at the back, we have a speaker. We have a X024T5 internet connection. Also the alarm input output and also the DC input. And as you can see, the slim design and the angle can be altered in any directions to fit the decorations. So now we just connect the internet cable and power, and it's ready to go. Thank you. Okay, after you have connected our cube camera X024T5 into our NVR, first of all, you can download the tours, IP tours from our website, and then go to the NVR menu, setting, and select Add Camera. And you will find X024T5. Click. Enter the password 123456. Add, and it's done. Thank you.